The problem in Africa is that we don't vote for people we love. We vote against people we hate. We are going to watch Permati logo Africa. Pe wa bolu kui ki ngat mo amaro. Wa bolu kui ki ngat romani pian wa degi ngat romani. So parliament ene wen ubi ponki lo tela. Ma pe o maro. Eno lo tela ma o yero piano degi ngat romani. We need to reach a level of civilization where you vote for a leader you love, not vote for the other person because you don't like Obua. That will not solve our problem. You line up with hatred and wait for 30 minutes and cast that vote in hatred. And then when someone loses, you are very happy. Well, what kind of life is that? Ana por kuyo weng atio marai atika matupi indo atika nyerne ana por bi kitar mani ni yerne. Kana toko. MP money Iteso to report what he rune. So one African go berule. Ngaro por kui futika dunu ume remotika chweye iri tika dore ninga to por kui. Pingo impi dore ni megine yo loy kui. So you are not civilized until take us another 60 years to get out of that quagmire. Obua, all the best. If you're enjoying one hand, mega pia tumba, mega puru ay chaka. Pia mage wajene chiek wajene ka ngaromo lo di kui pia rabi miara ke kwano dojo. Man chiek mandatory recount under section 73. That's what the law says. We passed that law with we passed that law with the kui. When I asked for mandatory recount, go I need a big mirror, ni ana chair record. So yini wajene yini be MP ki kui piru biche no iti karam pa LC. Kui piru biche. So mega put Babylon like a bishop. Like a put pe. One no put a chaka loin chaka. So what they call gazette next week, all the elected leaders will be gazetted next week. Pian Masaka recount, put them in the war. Then immediate Wabiche record. Where the process should be fair. I don't mean like a lawyer, man, like a lawyer. Where I ain't here, man, like a lawyer. LP, booyah, booyah. Gee, why didn't he lawyer? Don't count on what the James.